Welcome back to the channel, and I'm so happy to have you here with me. So in this video we'll be editing pictures together, so let's dive into it without wasting our time. So you go to your Canva. This is the interface, and from there you click on Instagram post scroll, or you can either use a custom size of 1000 by 1000 if 1080 by 1080 will be too much for you. You go to your element and look for field background. So it's already under my hall, so you search for rice field sunset. So you can just type in field background and click on this three dot and go ahead to set image as background. From there, go to your frame and search for phone frame. So you would have various options. So I'm going to go with this phone frame that looks like an Instagram interface. So the next thing is you enlarge your screen, I mean the full frame. Then from there I went over back to my, I cancel this, and then you search for a lion, or you use a tiger, whichever one you want to use. So if you are using a lion, you drop it inside the frame and then click on it. This particular sign here is for crop, smart crop. So now you crop the frame to the way you want it to be. So yeah, this is the way I want it to be. Once you are done, click on done, and then you duplicate, or you just click on it again, and this time around you are going to remove the background. So the background has been removed. Then you're going to go, so here is it, you enlarge it. So once you are done, you just crop the side and ensure the frame is showing, and crop this place likewise. You can leave the other ones. The one that needs cropping is basically the edge. So now you see what we just made. This is the lion jumping out of the phone frame, which is not real, but that is all. So the next one, once you are done, you remember to download. Click on download. So the next one will be designing, will be using an alphabet frame for our designs. So we are going to just go with a custom size this time around, which is going to be 1000 by 1000, and then we click on create new design. I'll go to my element and I'm going to go to my recently used. So for the first set, you go with a field background likewise, and then for this field just drag it up, and then the alphabet that you want to use, 0 and this 10. So I'm using 10k. So this image, lift it up a little for now because we don't need it yet. So you just take this 10k up, and then ensure they are aligned. That's what I mean. Yeah, they are well placed. This k seems bigger, so you are going to reduce it a little. So once you are done, you just drop in this image inside each of the frame. Same image again, you can have it duplicated into 3 after it has been dropped to 1. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, so that I won't have to be going through the stress of looking. So you drop it inside the O frame. The third one, drop it inside the K frame. So now that we have this particular one, we are going to it to the back, send to back. Then we are going to drag it down then resize it. So after resizing this particular one, smart crop. So for this smart crop, we are going to crop it to fit the whole page. Yes, once you are done, click on done likewise, and then go to the the 0. Yes, then you smart crop it again. Okay, then you click on done again, and then you go to the K, then you smart crop it likewise. And don't worry, it's not complicated. So once you are done, then you go back to this one, delete this, the image behind it. So now that we are done, once you are done, go to your element and look for shape, this square shape. So you just ensure that you resize it to the minimal. Okay, then change the color to white. So you just download it as PNG. So once you are done downloading, then you add a new page and then go to your upload and then upload that exact file. This time around we need another color for the background. You can go with any of the desired color, but I will go with this. So I'm going back to my upload to bring up this particular picture. Then I'm going to remove the background. So the background has been removed now. So I need to change the background to white. So the next thing I'll be doing here is I'm going to look for you can look for any image of anybody jumping. So I'm just going to go back to my recently used, then pick this man with ball and then remove the background, then resize the man to my taste, to just the way I want it to be, you know. So this is the way I want it to be. So I'm going to send to back. So now once I'm done with that, I'm going to duplicate the man. No, I'm not smart cropping. So this is the man. It has been duplicated, and then I aligned it on it carefully. So I'm going to crop it and then crop this one too. Then crop this too. Okay, so this is it. I love it this way. So I'm going to go to my background. Okay, understand. And reduce the transparency. So I want to highlight all of this and lock it so I can enlarge it. So it has been grouped and then I'm enlarging it so it looks bigger without any alteration. Okay. So this is what we just made. If you like the design, let me know in the comment section if it really makes sense to you. Once you are done, click on the share button and download your design. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and check out other videos on our channel. With love from all of us at this inside. So bye bye.